Oh, pretty fucking tight.
Yeah, don't want to break it again.
Fuck no. Oh shit.
What is this one for?
That's that governor arm.
I thought this one was.
Well, it's all connected to it.
So this one got to get stretched out too?
It doesn't have to be. The governor arm's already stretched out because of the wire right here. This one.
Yeah.
That's got it pulled and where it can't go back. So, governor arm's good.
Okay. So